Hi everyone, welcome to our latest video. Today we're going to be looking at this antivirus software that I'm looking at selling alongside Norton. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through and register it and have a look at it. Right, so first thing to do is to go try for free. You can follow the link below, and that will take you to the sign up page. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your name in here and give it your email address and password, or you could use your Facebook account or your Google account. So I'm going to go ahead and create that, and then we'll come back. Right, so now we've got the two-step verification. Right, so we've logged in and we've come to this workspace. So I'm going to leave it as that. I'm going to go OK. Now, how many devices do you want to protect? We're going to say 3, and then you've got a choice here of the home anti-malware home, or the business, or the enterprise edition. So we're going to just go for home. Now there's these 3 choices. So if you only want to install it locally, so say you've only got one PC, choose local only, or if you've got 3 or more licenses, you can choose local and remote, or remote only. Now this gives you the option that if you're installing it on your child's computer or an elderly relative's computer, you can do everything on there. You can set it and check it and make sure it's working properly, instead of them having to do it or you going round there to do it. So we're going to click OK. So that's now created that. So it's now giving us the option to download. There are other ways to do it as well. You can copy these links, or you can do it through a command line, but we're just going to go download. Right, okay, so that's downloaded, and we're going to run that, and it's now going to right, so it's now installed. There was a period where it actually looked like it wasn't doing anything, and it doesn't actually say installing, it says initializing. So yeah, it's now initializing updates, and that so there's our workspace. So if we was to right, okay, well let's minimize that for now. Right, and let's get over to this. So we got the protection. So we've got behavior blocker, file guard, and web protection. So suspicious programs, alert, auto resolve with lookup notification, or auto resolve notification for threats only. Scan level, default, thorough and paranoid. I suppose if we put it on paranoid, it would come up with possibly some false positives. And quarantine silently, quarantine with notification, and potentially unwanted program detection. Quarantine silently, quarantine with notification or no detection. And here, right, okay. So it's installed the plugin for Chrome. If we would say add a new rule, right? Okay, so you can put in a host name or a IP address and say whether you want it blocked or not blocked. So now we're going to go to the scan. So we've got quick scan, malware scan, and custom scan. Then we've got scheduled scans. So custom scan is 12 o'clock every Friday. We're going to turn that on. But we can change quick scan, malware scan, or custom scan. Right, okay. And then we've also got a create an emergency kit. So yeah, so that will probably, we can create that and use that on another computer that's infected. Right, so quarantine, oh, that's interesting. Sometimes I've had it where Norton has quarantined a program that I didn't want it to quarantine, and trying to find where that area was, so I could remove it from there, was pretty hard, but this is really easy to find. Right, and then we've got logs, settings. Right, so exclusions, so add file or add folder, so you can say like don't scan this. And exclude from monitoring program or a folder. Alright, real-time detection. Right, 10 seconds. Remove device connections. Software updates 10 seconds. Application restarts. Okay, right, on notifications. Right, I suppose that's when you get something come in, and it's on the right hand side. Right, updates. Right, automatic updates are on. Interval every 1 hour. We can change that. So if we were say okay with that, alright, so we can actually set it to update between certain times. Alright, okay. Alright, resets that. Alright. Advanced. start on Windows Update. Well, yeah, obviously. Capture to authorize program shutdowns. Windows. Backup. Export. So general software. Okay. So you can actually, your custom settings, you can export it. Oh, bright, dark. Oh, that's really nice that you can actually change the color. Permissions. Right, okay. So full access or no access, read only, basic access. Right, and then remote management. So yeah, I know. So yeah, so this you can control another person's computer that's got this on for your account. Well, not control it, but you can make sure that it's the antivirus software is working correctly and it is updating and doing a scan. So I really like this. I do like this software. It looks really easy, but the main thing is, how is it for using the memory? As you know, there's certain ones out there that antivirus software that can be very memory hungry. Just going to close, and Firefox is open as well. Right, so yeah, so that's not too bad actually. I am using OBS, which is taking 9% of the memory up. Yeah, and this has got 8 GB of RAM. This PC. So yeah, that's not too bad actually. The disk usage is 0%, 4.4% of the memory. So if I was to close that down, yeah, well that's still, yeah. Well, I do like this software actually. That's about it. So hope you've enjoyed this and that, and yeah, give it a try yourself. Thanks for watching. Take care, have a good day. Please click like and subscribe, and see you again at the next one. Take care. Bye.